I'm already running late and I just have like 10 minutes to shoot this video, but I really wanted to do it. So hi, I'm Devarati and welcome back to my channel. I make content mostly focused on makeup and beauty. So today's video is something like really unusual, which I don't always do. So today I'll be talking about, as you have already guessed by the title, I'll be talking about a hair tool which literally made my life like way easier. You can see today only I blow dried my hair, and it's not a like very normal blow dry. This is which you have a blow dry along with a blow brush. So I'm talking about the Alan Trumer blow brush, which is like this. It comes in a cardboard. As I can focus, if I may focus, yup. And the original price of this is 3,100 or something like that. Let me just check. The original price is 3,499, but I got it around 30% off, like 2,160 or something. I will mention the price in the description box and also in my screen somewhere. So this is what the brush is, and you will see it in the demo when I will be demoing it. So this is what the brush is, and the most important feature which I love in this brush is this rotates 360 degree. Like you can plug it anywhere and you can just rotate your hair, and this will not tug and pull. And this is one of the like most exciting or the most useful feature which I loved. And this is made out of some fiber or ceramic, something like hot air which comes out is not cold, so you can touch it, you can do whatever you like. This is like I think this is a very revolutionary product, because I have like quite fine hairs, but still in winter times it takes like it doesn't dry out so easily. So I need something like a hair dryer or something, and I really cannot like जो conventional जो स्टाइलिंग के लिए जो ब्रश आते हैं वो गोल गोल, I have that, but it's so difficult. एक हाथ से वो पकड़ो and do it with the other hand. It's very messy. It's very difficult, at least for me with my two hands. I cannot see the back what I'm doing. So this is so convenient. This is such a life-saving product. Life-saving tool, I must say. You guys, like, please एक बार ये खरीद लो. You will be sorted for the whole day, like any time, summer, winter, rainy, any time. This is such a life-saving product, and let me just tell you the details. Okay, so here you have 3 options of low, medium and high. I use the low one because it disperses very less heat. It almost feels like a room temperature. But if you have like really curly or like semi-curly, like wavy hair, you can go for the medium or the middle one. Sorry, it's written with middle. Okay, middle one. And if you have like really like spiral curly hairs, then you can go for the high one, as you need more heat to make your hair look like straight. And if you have like fine thin hair, then you can go with really doggy. You need to bark now. Okay, if you have very thin or like fine hairs, then the low temperature will be good to go, because I always use it on the low temperature. But if you have like thicker hair, then you might opt for medium or high, but I will say to use it in the medium one. And if you want to do any hairstyling like curling or something, why आज इतना sound क्यों है भाई? ट्रेन को अभी जाना होगा. If you want to curl your hair, or if you want to just use it as like, you know, curling this part, like पूरा तो नहीं होगा, it will not give you as tight curls as a curler will give you, but this can give you a loose curl. But I like my hairs to like very free flowing. मुझे curling ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. My hair is almost like straight, not poker straight, but it is straight. So low heat में अगर मैं use करती हूँ तो it's a very straight like hair. You can see it in the demo. I cannot explain it as much as you can see it in the demo. I have freshly shampooed my hair and towel dried it. Remember to get rid of the excess moisture. And then I'm using a serum. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, and this also protects your hair from heat. And I'm combing my hair. I like to use a wooden comb. Section your hair as you do for your hair straightening or curling. Then I'm keeping the heat temperature low. Then start from your base of your hair and then go onto your crown area. Take flat sections of your hair and comb through them gradually and slow. Start from low temperature and airflow going to high temperature. Haphazardly and quickly combing through the hair will cause excessive heat related frizz and irritating flyaway hair. Repeat through the sections. Change temperature settings as per the requirements of the heat and air depending on the water or the moisture content in the hair. For in curls or out curls, roll the brush as you get to the end of the sections, curl it inward or outward respectively. I like to focus it more onto the roots where you have most amount of wetness, and then I go down rolling it. While I'm blow drying the rest of my hair, let me just quickly go through how to clean the blow brush. First, use a soft and slightly damp cloth to clean the body. Do not allow water or any type of liquid to enter the openings or the joints in any way. Secondly, if you have any product or residue deposited on the product or on the bristles, please take a damp napkin or a damp cloth or a damp towel and gently clean the product or residue deposited on the plates. The cloth should not be wet and neither should it be moist. You should only use damp cloth. Do not use any serum, liquid, detergent or anything except a bit of dampness to remove the residue or the product deposits on the plate. Do not scrub, scratch or try to file the surface of the plates with any metal or plastic objects to clean or clear off any product or residue from the plates. Okay, by this I think I've completed everything which I need to say about this tool. So this is how my hair is looking. It feels so soft and so silky and very manageable. So guys, this was my short review on Alan Trommer blow brush. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, bye, take care, see you all in the next video.